Subscribe to this channel, get 2 free videos every week. And videos like today's video, which is a nice comfort food, made healthy. Stuffed peppers without the meat. Instead, we're using chickpeas. Outstanding. So the first thing we want to do is get some flavor going. So we're going to take about a teaspoon of oil and we're going to saute 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 rib of celery. While that's cooking, let's start on our chickpeas. I have here a can of chickpeas. Goy is fine. Hey, be careful with chickpeas. A lot of them have salt added, which is okay. Just don't add any more salt. You may not need it. Anyway, Goya chickpeas, very nice. They're rinsed, they're drained, they're ready to mash. I use basically a potato masher. They're not 100% smooth, but they are mashed. That's what I want. I want that texture, but I want them mashed also. Hey, I'm using flaxseed meal in this recipe. That's going to make it even more healthy because I don't need to use egg if I use flaxseed meal. I'm using 1 tablespoon flaxseed meal. I'm using 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Hey, if you find vegan Worcestershire sauce, use it. That's okay. But if you don't, that's okay too. Don't stress yourself out. It's just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce we need. So if it's not vegan, it's okay. But if you really prefer vegan, you can find vegan Worcestershire sauce. If not in the store, you can find it online. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. And of course, 1 tablespoon ketchup. Now you see I got these vegetables a little brown. That's great. I'm going to finish this flavor with some garlic, fresh garlic. First, shut the heat off. Then I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic. I don't need to put the heat on, it's hot enough. Just to toss around a little bit and get that garlic flavor going. Boy, I wish you could be here to smell this. This smells delicious. I add all that vegetables to my stuffing. Now I'll finish this off with a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Beautiful. This smells really good. Wow. Hey, don't wash that pan out yet. It's got some great flavor in there. I'm going to add another teaspoon of oil. I'm going to add some onion and cook those onions up. Those onions are the start of the sauce for these amazing stuffed peppers. Let's get to the peppers. I like to use red peppers. I think they're more pleasant. They're sweeter and nice to eat. Green peppers are a little bit more harsh. Yellow peppers are fine. Orange peppers are fine. I like red peppers the best. Just cut the tips off by the stem. Hey, I can just pop the top off with the seeds, and I have a nice cavity in here. Nice empty cavity. I'm going to stuff these peppers. See, I put in a big tablespoon at a time, and in between each addition, I kind of press it down. Beautiful. I'm going to use this casserole dish to bake them in, so I put these 3 peppers in there. They fit nice. See, they fit nice. They stand up nice in the dish. That's perfect. Now, we need to cover with some sauce. Remember those onions we're cooking? Let's add some garlic to it. 2 cloves of garlic is good. Give it a stir. Then I'm going to add tomato sauce. I usually use Hunt's tomato sauce. I like that product. This was on sale. This is a good product too. And it's tomato sauce and not tomato puree. So it's already like cooked down a little bit. So it's not going to be as tart as tomato puree. You don't have to cook it down. It's already cooked down. I use about 1.5 cups of that tomato sauce. I use 1 onion, chopped it up. I use 2 cloves of garlic. Use that tomato sauce. Mix it all together. I got to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. There you go. I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. There we go. Ooh, this is a nice, simple sauce. It's beautiful for braising. I'm going to braise these peppers in the oven. I'm going to just spoon some sauce over. Beautiful. Hey, this sauce is a little thick. That's okay because the peppers have a lot of water in them and the water is going to be released during cooking. And then you'll see the sauce is going to thin out. I'm going to set the oven timer for an hour. Then I'm going to check them. And then I'm going to make sure that they're beautifully cooked. I put a lid on it. I'm putting it inside a preheated 350-degree oven. I'm going to put it in for an hour, then I'm going to check it. It may take as much as 90 minutes. So I'll see you later. After an hour, I took this out of the oven. It was perfect. Very nice. Nice comfort food. Fantastic. Hey, you want another great comfort recipe? Check out my stuffed baked potatoes. It's stuffed with vegan bacon. How great is that? Check it out. Enjoy this recipe. I'll see you at the next video.